quickly on Brexit, because you're the expert here. The British Parliament votes, I think it's December the 11th, on the Brexit deal that Theresa May has organised. Now, she's preparing for a televised debate with Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn in 2 days, and it's 2 days before the vote. I don't think that's going to be a yes vote on the deal, do you?
No, and it shouldn't be. And I just want to be really clear with our viewers about this, because what Theresa May's come back with is not actually a deal, and it does not deliver Brexit. The reason it's not a deal is because all the difficult questions about the future relationship between Britain and the EU, they're all punted into the future after a 2-year transition period. You've got a 2-year transition period, and then they start negotiating about the future relationship between Britain and the EU. This prolongs the uncertainty, which is so bad for business. It's not Brexit, because during that 2-year transition period, Britain is subject to most EU rules. It's not really leaving the EU at all. It's a disaster, and it needs to be voted down, and she needs to be kicked out. And what really needs to happen is a clean break from the EU, and then you can put in place the pro-business measures, cut corporation tax, cut regulation, all the things we've seen so successfully work here, strengthen the British economy, then negotiate with the EU from a position of strength.
Well, hardline Steve Hilton emerges, casting off his shell of moderation. Hardline guy. Well, we love it. Steve Hilton, thanks for joining us, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Great to see you.